Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Krisha's Fun Adventure. Today I'm going to tell a story, Sniffles. Sniffles. Oh ho, Divya has the Sniffles. Sniffles. Divya can't have the Sniffles today. She has to play. It is the final of the famous football cup. Sniffles. They have won. They have won the famous football cup. Sniffles. High fives them. Sniffles. Good game, good meet. Sniffles. Well done, Mohit. Sniffles. You did it, Pooja. Sniffles. Congratulations, everyone. Sniffles. Ah, shoo. Sniffles. No more football for Divya. Until she gets better, she misses all her friends. A week later, no more Sniffles. Divya can't wait to see all her friends. Yay! Sniffles. Oh ho, what is this? It looks like Rustam has the Sniffles now. Sniffles and Gourmet. Sniffles and Mohit. Sniffles and Pooja too. Oh no. Sniffles. Oh no. Everybody has the Sniffles. Sniffles. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.